Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. Just a really quick video to say that this journal is finished. I can't share a flip through on YouTube until the end of the month because it is a design team project for the graphics fairer. However, this is up for sale over on my Ko-fi site. The link's in the description box below, and over there it is 76 pages front to back. She's quite chunky, and so over there are internal photos, and also there is a link to a private share of this, which is in my Facebook group Create with Scrimping Mummy. So there's a link to there where you can actually see me go through page by page. So if you're interested in purchasing her, she is rather beautiful. Yeah, all butterfly themed, absolutely gorgeous, and I have added this lovely sari silk closure with the little ribbon clasps, and so if you want to close it you can just wrap it around and then tuck it like so, or you can detach this and use it as like a hanging bookmark. It's up to yourself, but yeah, she is for sale. I do send journals international, and the shipping rates are over there for you to see. So if you're interested, the link's in the description below. Thank you. Bye.